We made it to the start of the Old Telegraph Road, and now we're discussing with locals and with other four-wheel drivers if it's worth or if it's manageable to go with this beast through Old Telly.
We're officially on the Old Telegraph Track.
Alright, here goes nothing. Probably the hardest part of the Old Telly, at least beginning of the parking lot. Yeah, I can hear you clearly. I think I can hear you. Let's do it.
Yeah, I don't know. He just wanted to make sure that it's from both sides.
Yeah.
From both and faking.
Hey, looking good.
Ouch.
And that's the hardest bit done. Okay, big drop done. Now let's get up from this muddy creek. Whew, my heart is racing, I can tell you. Never done anything that crazy like this. Not a hard part. We are not done yet. First spot you from the top.
Back up. How are you feeling?
I feel like
This is funny. What?
like this.
Only that? Go for it. I have a beer.
I am standing here. I'm doing it, and I still can't believe that I'm here and this is happening, because I was I was waiting for it for such a long time. I was dreaming of it. I was watching those videos on YouTube, all the crazy guys doing it, and now it's me. And I don't comprehend it fully. It's like daydreaming. It's like, yeah, well, maybe tomorrow I will wake up and I will understand that I'm actually here. I will fully recognize this dream. It's really unbelievable. It's stunning. And I can tell now I'm living my so long awaiting dream. And watching all this with my own eyes. It probably doesn't make sense what I'm trying to tell, especially in English. But hopefully you can read between lines. And if you ever done something what you dreamed of, then you probably know my feelings now. It's for real.
It's for real.
Unbelievable,
It was an adventure already.
it's real.
And we've just done first crossing. So the catch of the day. Here it is in making, yummy. Serving with mashed potatoes and some veggies, some coriander, jalapenos, yum! And wait for our dinner. Sunday,
Sunday, bloody Sunday.
and that means
Another pancakes.
pancakes.
But who knows how many are these?
How many pancakes did we have already?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Who knows?
Around 80.
It is something.
We have to count it.
Do some research.
Old Telegraph Track pancakes.
Alright, second day we are picked up and let's do another part of this famous Old Telegraph Track. Let's do it!
swaying from side to side. This is the biggest issue for us. The truck is super capable of doing off-roading, but the height of the truck, that's the struggle sometimes. So we just came to the South Alice Creek crossing. This is it. Check there is a way around to see which way we can go. Probably not this way. Jan's checking it out. Is it wide enough?
Stable and wide enough.
So we're doing this one.
Yeah.
Getting more and more comfortable, hey? Doesn't even need shoes anymore.
Oh yeah, autobus. Ima.
Well done.
A little bit tight in corners.
So here we are at Pinkwater Creek crossing. I think it's the North Alice Creek. Checking it out again. Deciding which way we will go. Another entry point, which might be easier. So we're doing this one, and what the way out looks like. Not too bad.
That'll be interesting as well.
Here? It's better than this one.
Probably here. Let's do it.
Easy peasy. Wanda is a rock star. And Jan, of course, as well. He's doing an awesome job. A part of him leaving me behind. Easy.
Everybody is enjoying their time.
What is it? How's the water? Dalhanti River crossing. Done and dusted. And we're doing a little refreshment here. A lot of flies. But otherwise, it's beautiful. Clear water. With some fish. How you feel, Daddy?
Exhausted. A little bit worried about the left wheel, left tire.
What happened?
Making weird sound. Play to make it to safe and back. Service.
Yeah, sounds like a CV joint, but we have no idea if there even is a CV joint on the truck. But yeah, turning to the left, the front left wheel is banging and makes a weird noise. So we have decided we will probably make our way to the main road. And at the end of the day, it's our home on wheels, right? It's not something we want to damage and get stuck here.
This way.
Yeah.
I think we enjoyed most of it.
So we've got one more crossing to go. Then we would like to go and have a look. We would like to go check out the gunshot, but we will take the bypass. And then to the main road. and all the way to the tip.
Still a long way to Tipperary.
Still, yeah, still a long way. We've enjoyed it so far. It's fun.
Awesome.
I would love to do the whole trek, but I think it's a
We need to win the lotto.
smart decision
Have some backup.
to escape. Yeah, and also it's just us. We don't have anyone else driving alongside, so I guess that's the
Yeah, too slow.
safe.
Too slow for youth.
Yeah, we met some people. Everyone,
Yeah, enjoying our youth and stuff.
everyone was way too quicker.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's see what the other crossing is like, and then check out the gunshot. I can't wait. Hopefully, we will see some people doing it. Bertie Creek crossing. There's a lot of holes in the creek, so we need to be careful not to hit those. Otherwise, not too bad, I think. So good with the car. Super proud of you. It wasn't that long ago since he's done his truck license. Whoever's watching our journey knows about that. And now he is doing Old Telegraph Track.
Ledwie. Nie, potrzebuję.
Awesome job, he's out. No troubles at all. So this is the gunshot bypass road. Terrible corrugation. Kids are happy at the back, at least something. The road looks like mainly corrugation.
Sending corrugation.
Just changed a little bit.
To je gunshot, tohle není gunshot, ne? To není ono. Hi.
Open.
This is it?
Are you going to these cars down here or are you?
No, we bypassed.
Oh, okay.
We are at gunshot spot and there are few other options, few other entries, all of them bloody steep, bloody muddy. I think we did the right that we bypassed it. This is way too much for our truck. Right, Sammy? Right? Is it right?
Someone's doing it. Well done. Well, in the meantime, the kids are having fun.
Yeah, why are we going inside it?
Oh, that's so scary. What are we having for dinner? Smells good.
Italiano, parmigiano, bolognese.
Yummy. So we decided to camp right by the gunshot. And what else did we decide?
That unfortunately, because Wanda is having problem again.
Wanda is sick.
Wanda is sick again. It looks like left CV joint is giving up. We need to go back to Kent, most likely. We'll see tomorrow.
We will go back to the development road tomorrow and try to get signal and call people around if there is anyone who could have a look at it somewhere up here. We are a bit hopeful because there is all these mining sites. They got big machineries, big machines. So there might be someone who could have a look at it. If not, then we will just go back to Kent and get it checked over there.
Okay,
Right?
down over there, yeah.
We've had an amazing time though, so it's sad, but in the same time,
We learned a lot, we survived a lot, and we've seen a lot, so I'm not worried, I'm not sad that we probably won't make it till up to the very top.
And again, it's about the journey and not the destination. So even if we won't have the photo at the tip,
That's only photo.
that's not what it is about, right? So we've had an awesome time on
I would rather
Old
have-
Telegraph Track. That
Yeah.
was amazing and
And-
an awesome experience.
And I would rather have a 4-wheel Wanda than
Then a,
3-wheel.
then a photo
Yeah.
with free-world Wanda. Yeah, so yeah, we will see what happens tomorrow. But most likely we will be heading back down. But we had an awesome time so far. And we've seen some people doing the famous gun shop as well. It was an awesome experience. You will see more about that in this video. It's getting dark, but we've arrived to another camp. You can't probably see me properly. Jan's cooking dinner. And look at that. There's a little dam. Only a couple of caravans parked here. You can fish here. There is a toilet at the back, I think. And only $2 donation. It's close to Weipa, and we have an appointment with a mechanic on Wednesday morning. We will enjoy one day of relaxing around here probably tomorrow, and Wednesday is the day we will find out. So we'll let you know then.